About 10 days ago, the United States government approved the budget for 2023, and this budget was approved, and then Beyond TV had covered a part of the budget proposal in their news, claiming that the United States government has decided to support housing for Tibetan refugees in India, which is not necessarily reflecting the truth, because you have to understand the wordings in the US appropriations. And the appropriation says at the beginning, when they explain about the project for Tibet, and in the first paragraph at the end of it, unlike previous years, they have added one more sentence which says that USAID should consider to support a program to provide housing for Tibetan refugees in India, which means to say that it's a recommendation from the Congress to the USAID, but the USAID cannot act on its own without financial approval from the Congress. Therefore, this is meant for future. It's nothing definite. What we have been receiving so far, and which we continue to receive, is what's reflected in the appropriations this time also, which is talking about the first program inside Tibet, for which the United States government used to provide $8 million. We are not sure whether they are able to use all of it or not, but still they increased that by $2 million. So inside Tibet, programs for inside Tibet is 10 million, as it used to be, or as it was since last year. And the next program is for Tibetans in exile. So in that, there are two categories. One is the support that we used to receive through USAID for education, health, rehabilitation, and other things, which also involves preservation of Tibetan culture, language, and religion, and way of life. But that has been increased to 8 million since last year. And this was approved in the appropriation this time, so there has been increase of only $2 million. And over and above that, there is a provision for $3 million for capacity building within the Central Tibetan Administration, so, or within the Tibetan community. So these are things that we have been receiving. It's nothing new. So the addition of that one sentence does not mean to say that U.S. government has decided to support housing for the Tibetans in exile, and also because we have approached some other governments, so it should not be construed or seen as the U.S. government having decided to support Tibetans for housing, which we still need, but it has not been approved. So this is for the understanding of the larger Tibetan community and also other countries to whom we have approached for support. Thank you very much, and I hope such miscommunication does not happen in the future, for which we have to issue clarification. I would suggest that media can always seek. We are always available to seek our comment, and in future, if they can do that, that would be very much appreciated. Thank you so much.